Hello, and in today's video, in the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to be able to set up a two-factor verification, whether you just added someone from your Kajabi account and you're wanting to give them more security, or in general, just have some more peace of mind for your Kajabi. We're going to show you in the next 2 minutes how to be able to set that up for yourself. So in case you haven't seen it yet, if this is coming off of the video that I did for adding an admin user to your account, then you already are familiar with the settings tab. But in case you're not, make sure you are logged into your Kajabi login. It'll always take you to the dashboard up front. But thankfully, as always, Kajabi keeps their setup pretty much the same. So the settings is on the bottom left here we want you to go to. So just press that and you'll take you to the same dashboard you're going to see here. Now, there's a lot of different things that we can do from third party, all this kind of fun stuff, but really what we care about in today's video is the sign-in and security tab. So as you can see here, which is really helpful, it does give you always a little bit of information on what's going to be inside of each of these settings. So as you can see here, one of them mentions multi-factor authentication. So we're going to just click that. And then as you can see here, there's a password, two-factor, and then Google as well. So this is really important, especially as you are adding people to your Kajabi account, to know whether or not you have the two-factor set up. And the reason why two-factor authentication does help is because it does give you that peace of mind in case someone does, try to sign into your account. It doesn't happen often, but in case you need it, it's there. And something to note is that if you are giving out your login information to people who are logging into your Kajabi without adding them as a user first, and you have two-factor set up, then every time they log in, if it's not saved to their computer, they will have to ask you for the two-factor code. So it's kind of a hassle in case you don't have them set up as a user, but it can be helpful for your peace of mind. So all you have to do here is press set up the F2A. It'll have you log out and continue. As you can see here, it asks me now to set up either the Google authentication or this SMS. SMS is the two-factor authentication option, and then the Google Authenticator is also something that's been rolling out a lot more. You've probably seen it for other sign-ins. It asks you for a Google key. This, depending on if you want to do it, you can do it through Google Authenticator, but I think for most people, they have more readily access to their SMS or to their iPhones or to their phones. So you would just click here. You would put in your phone number here, and then it'll send you a test code, that 6-digit code that you would add in. And then from there, you'll be ready to set up. And that's all you have to do for the SMS and for the two-factor authentication. It'll be ready for you to go. But as a reminder, in case you are having someone else who is logging into your account for you, whether it be an assistant or someone else, if you have it set up, then each time they do, if it's not already saved onto their login, to their computer, they'll have to ask you for that 6-digit code instead. So it's a bit of a hassle in case you haven't already added them as a user yet, but if you want to help save yourself a little bit of that back and forth, then adding them as a user can be really helpful to do, which I already have a separate under 5-minute video to help you walk through that. Hopefully this helped you, and if you have any other questions around Kajabi, setting up, or anything around that, put it down below and I'll help you out as best as I can, and I'll see you in the next video.